Jerry asked for it. This is my 1970 CT70H that I restored. It came as quite a project, no motor, no seat, handlebars were all bent. And with the help of trail buddies this winter, I restored it to its original state, original color. Put about as many parts on as I could and got it just the way I wanted it. And I took it to my first show, vintage show at Gilmore's. And I took first place in the scooter and moped class. It was my very first show, and we're going to try to show some more. Yeah, I want to keep. I got original exhaust, original fenders, original. Most of the stuff is original that I can still find. Original, after all back original. Or cleaned up the parts and polished. I have the parts from Trail Buddies. Will fit right on these bikes and make your bike look just like this one.